Welcome back to Upcoming Car. Today we're diving into the luxurious and powerful 2025 Jaguar 420G, a stunning blend of British elegance, modern engineering, and classic heritage. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and timeless design. Jaguar has always been known for producing vehicles that blend comfort, style, and power, and the 2025 420G is no exception. So buckle up as we take you through every detail, from its exquisite exterior to its refined interior, thrilling performance, and competitive pricing. Let's start with the exterior, which immediately commands attention. The 2025 Jaguar 420G pays homage to its original classic roots, but it has been entirely reimagined for the modern era. The front fascia is dominated by a bold, chrome-accented grille that proudly wears the Jaguar badge. Slim LED headlights with signature double. J-blade daytime running lights give it a piercing modern gaze. The bonnet is long and sculpted, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Along the sides, chrome window trim and subtle shoulder lines add a sense of movement and class. The large alloy wheels, available up to 21 inches, are both stylish and practical, offering a smooth yet commanding presence on the road. The rear design is clean and elegant, with sharp LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips, and a sleek bumper that completes the luxury sedan profile. Every detail of the exterior reflects Jaguar's obsession with craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Now step inside, and the experience becomes even more refined. The cabin of the 2025 420G is a sanctuary of luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The materials used are nothing short of premium. Rich leather upholstery, real wood veneer trims, and brushed aluminum accents greet you from every angle. The seats are incredibly supportive yet plush, designed for long drives and short commutes alike. Both front and rear passengers are treated to generous legroom and headroom, with the rear even offering executive-class comfort. Rear passengers can recline, adjust climate zones independently, and enjoy ambient lighting that sets the mood just right. At the center of the dashboard is a large, curved touchscreen infotainment system powered by Jaguar's latest Pivi Pro software. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, letting the driver switch between classic dials, navigation, and media views. A premium Meridian surround sound system ensures crystal-clear audio, turning every drive into a private concert. There's also a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced voice control for effortless operation. The attention to detail inside the 420G is incredible. From the stitch pattern on the seats to the soft touch materials across the dash, everything feels expensive and intentional. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Jaguar 420G does not disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a choice between a refined Inline-6 mild hybrid engine and a more powerful V8 option for enthusiasts. The Inline-6 produces around 400 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency, while the supercharged V8 churns out an impressive 550 horsepower, rocketing the car from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds. Both engine options are mated to a silky 8-speed automatic transmission and come with all-wheel drive as standard, ensuring confident handling in all weather conditions. Jaguar has focused heavily on driving dynamics with this model. Adaptive suspension, active damping, and torque vectoring by braking all work together to keep the ride smooth but sporty. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through a twisty mountain road, the 420G remains composed, agile, and genuinely fun to drive. Drive modes like Comfort, Dynamic, Eco, and Rain, Ice, Snow let the driver tailor the car's behavior to match road conditions or personal preference. Safety and technology are equally impressive. The 2025 Jaguar 420G is equipped with the latest in driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a head-up display to keep your eyes on the road and a night vision system that uses infrared sensors to detect pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Jaguar 420G starts at around $89,000 for the base inline-6 model. Stepping up to the V8 variant will bring the price closer to $115,000, depending on the trim level and optional features. While it's certainly positioned in the premium, luxury segment, the value it offers in terms of design, performance, and technology is hard to ignore. Customization options also allow buyers to choose from a variety of paint colors, interior finishes, and tech packages to make their 420G truly unique. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Jaguar 420G is a brilliant revival of a classic nameplate, seamlessly blending heritage with innovation. It offers an unbeatable mix of timeless design, a luxurious and tech-packed interior, thrilling engine options, and class-leading safety features. Whether you're a fan of Jaguar's historic models or just looking for a sophisticated and powerful sedan, the 420G is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Car for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video!